I'm Avi, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the icon grid component for your YMCA website. The icon grid is a simpler version of the grid CTA component. It has sets of content with a headline and description displayed in 2 to 4 item wide rows with the option to include icons or images. Here you can see an example of the icon grid component. It has a heading, a subheading, 2 to 4 icon grid items, and a CTA at the bottom. For comparison, here's the grid CTA component. You can see the grid CTA has similar components, but the cards in the grid CTA have a little more styling, and they also have a built-in link on each card. Icon grid items are meant to contain an icon instead of an image, and all images or icons will have a circular crop, as you see here. To add an icon grid component, go to your Layout Builder enabled page, scroll up to the top, and click Layout. Scroll to the section in which you'd like to add the icon grid, then click Add Block. Click Create Custom Block, then select Icon Grid. Here you'll add the title, which is for administrative purposes only and helps you identify the block in your Layout Builder administration. You'll add the heading and subheading, a URL and link text for the icon grid section link that shows up at the bottom. You'll select the number of columns, and then you'll add grid icon items. For each item, add a title, a description, and then add an icon using the Select Images button. And select an image or icon from the browser or upload your own. For each new icon grid item, click Add Icon Grid Item. When you're finished, click Add Block. Once you've finished adding your icon grid, you can edit it by clicking the pencil icon, then Configure. Here you can see an icon grid component with all of the fields filled in. To edit an existing grid icon item, scroll down to that section, click Edit, and you can edit or remove the items. You can also reorder items using the drag handle. Once you're finished updating, click Update. Here is the completed icon grid component on desktop. On mobile devices, the icon grid component stacks each of its items vertically. To learn more about the icon grid component, go to our documentation at ds-docs.y.org, then User Documentation, Layout Builder, Icon Grid. Thanks.